Hey, I'm Steve. Welcome to Hong Kong Eats and Adventures. Today, we're going to talk about how to cook brown rice in your Instant Pot. No muss, no fuss. Lots of people complain they can't cook rice in their Instant Pot. And really, it's extremely simple. We'll go through the steps in just a second. What's that? You don't like brown rice? You only like white rice? Let's go over a few things. So brown rice and white rice, side by side. What's the difference between the two? One is white and one is brown? Yeah, that is true. White rice is a polished rice, which means the outside has been taken off. Brown rice is a whole grain that has the bran and the germ. These have extra vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Score brown rice for being more nutritious. Brown rice is also better at controlling blood sugar levels. Something for diabetics to keep in mind. Brown rice is high on the glycemic index. That measures how quickly a food increases blood sugar. So white rice can really spike your blood sugar, whereas brown rice, not so much. Brown rice has a GI of 50. White rice has a GI of 89. White rice will increase your blood sugar levels much faster than brown rice. If you have a choice, eat brown rice, not white rice. So how do we miraculously cook brown rice in the Instant Pot? It's very simple. 1 cup of rice and 1 and a quarter cups of water. Give the inner pot a little shake, make sure everything is submerged. Put on the top, set to lock. And we're going to set this for a high pressure 15 minutes and then a 15-minute natural release. So 30 minutes total, and you will have delicious brown rice. Now, some of you are probably saying, oh, you didn't rinse the rice first. It's been my experience that you don't need to really rinse brown rice, unlike white rice, which you really do need to rinse before you use. So, pressure, 15 minutes. And we're away to the races. Okay, 15 and 15 is up. We'll do a quick release. Not a whole lot of pressure left there. Okay, let's take a look. Let's come in for a closer look. We have our rice. Beautifully cooked. No liquid left, none stuck to the bottom. Very well done. Let's get a whole big bowl full here and give it a try. Now, a big shout out to Amy and Jacky for their blog and their YouTube channel. They did a lot of experiments with both white rice and brown rice to determine the optimum amount of water and cooking time. So the 15 minutes cooking and 15 minutes natural release is the best way to go. If you like your rice a little bit chewier, you can go with 1 cup of water instead of 1 1/4 cups. So let's give this a try. It's cooked, it's soft, it's chewy. It's just the way I like it. So, approximately half an hour. If you did this on the stovetop, you'd be looking at maybe an hour to cook. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Do you like brown rice or do you like white rice? Which one is your favorite? See you next time.